make sure you are prepared for a significant financial breakthrough, because XRP is currently on a meteoric rise with the possibility of reaching heights of $1,650 to $2,900 by the time 2024 comes to a close. In addition to being spectacular discourse, this is based on a substantial development that has taken place, the imminent introduction of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. Think about this. BlackRock, the same financial powerhouse that pioneered a profitable exchange-traded fund ETF associated with Bitcoin, is now using its skills to XRP, which has an impressive track record. A foray into XRP by BlackRock is a game-changer in a market where practically every exchange-traded fund ETF application they have submitted has been approved. But hold on, there's plenty more, but BlackRock isn't the only company making waves. Additionally, Grayscale is making its debut in the arena. In addition to putting out the idea of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP, they have also included XRP in their cryptocurrency portfolio. The significance of XRP's and Ripple Labs' expanding influence in the field of international transactions is shown by this. Greetings, members of the Money Side family. Hello and welcome to your one-stop shop for anything related to XRP. Before we dive into the meat of today's content, let's take a moment to brief ourselves on the situation. A simple favor is something I need from you. If you want to become a part of our incredible community, you should go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. I also wanted to give everyone a heads up that as we get closer to the 60,000 subscriber threshold, we are getting ready to host a fantastic XRP giveaway. Because participating in the giveaway is so easy, all you need to do is follow these 3 straightforward steps, so make sure you are tuned in and prepared. In addition, make sure to include a hashtag for MoneySide in the comments section so that you can guarantee your participation in the prize. Let's take a look at what's new in the world of XRP and get started with the exciting world of XRP. As one delves deeper into the statistics, it becomes abundantly evident that BlackRock's reputation in the approval of exchange-traded funds ETFs is almost perfect. The traditional financial industry's perspective on digital currencies has undergone a significant transformation as a result of BlackRock's foray into the cryptocurrency and Web 3.0 markets. BlackRock is the world's most successful asset management company. A tribute to their unparalleled expertise in handling the financial market is the fact that they have an almost flawless approval record for exchange-traded funds ETFs. Remember that BlackRock has an astounding 99.8% approval rate for exchange-traded funds ETFs, which makes them an unstoppable force in the ETF sector. Realizing the bigger picture is essential in this situation. Major heavyweights in the financial industry, like as BlackRock and JP Morgan, have not only been keeping a watch on XRP, but they have also been actively holding on to it. It has been reported, and there is even a document that has been leaked, that these giants have put more than 7.5% of their total wealth into blockchain technology. In a recent piece that was subjected to extensive scrutiny, it was even suggested that BlackRock might be transferring its attention entirely from Bitcoin to XRP, which would indicate a substantial shift in their investing strategy. But this action is indicative of a growing interest in XRP, which makes the potential of an exchange-traded fund ETF supported by BlackRock more conceivable than it has ever been. However, this is where things start to get even more intriguing. In the ongoing tale of XRP, a new development has come to light. It is possible that an XRP ETP exists. The identity of the person who developed this exchange-traded fund ETF is unknown yet. The fact that it exists is an essential step in the process of developing an ETF. There have been reports that indicate that the XRP ETP has been introduced. However, it is currently in the pre-release phase and has a value of 0, whereas it is ready to be revealed at any moment now. Moreover, there is more. There are rumors going around that an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP will be launched at the same time as an exchange-traded payment ETP for XRP. Despite the fact that this concurrent publication makes perfect sense, it also highlights the swift work that has been made toward the ETF, which may have occurred just a few weeks after the debut of a Bitcoin ETF. When all of this is taken into consideration, especially when we take into account the fact that Bitcoin is currently trading at $43,000 even before its ETF debut, the potential for XRP is absolutely enormous. When an exchange-traded fund ETF is released to the public, the value of XRP could skyrocket to $1,650 or perhaps $2,500. This is the possibility that we are discussing. Okay, give me a chance to explain this since it's not as outlandish as it might appear to be. The XRP exchange-traded fund ETF has already been launched, which paves the door for an XRP ETF to be issued in just a few weeks. The exchange-traded product for XRP has been formally issued by Fidelity, a titan in the world of finance, which many people are unaware of. This translates to a swift advance toward the creation of an exchange-traded fund ETF related to XRP, which is likely to receive permission from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in the near future. In point of fact, we had a conversation on a recently published article just yesterday. According to a report that was stolen from none other than BlackRock, it was disclosed that an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP could be on the verge of being launched. As a result of this breach, an ETF filing for XRP was about to take place. One of the most prominent analysts at BlackRock gave a public comment which added to the frenzy, confirming the creation of a BlackRock exchange-traded fund ETF that is dedicated to XRP. To go even farther, they made a reference to the iShares XRP trust in connection with an application submitted to the ATF. After a period of initial skepticism, I decided to verify this information for myself, and lo and behold, it is mentioned on the website of the Delaware list of corporations itself. This new development is a game changer, and it demonstrates how close we are to witnessing a seismic shift in the market presence of XRP. Indeed, it has the ability to duplicate or perhaps surpass the movements that we have witnessed with Bitcoin's exchange-traded fund ETF. Recent investigations have thrown light on a key change that has occurred in the realm of cryptography. And notable evidence of institutional interest in cryptocurrencies is the fact that both BlackRock and JP Morgan have acquired more than 7.5 million XRP. BlackRock is at the forefront of this movement, not only because they are hoarding XRP, but also because they are utilizing the XRP ledger in their business operations, and most importantly, because they are moving forward with the launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF. On account of BlackRock's nearly faultless track record with regard to the approval of exchange-traded funds ETFs, the probability of the XRP ETF being granted approval is extremely high. It is impossible to overestimate the significance of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP's value. Taking into consideration all of the significant events that are scheduled to take place, a target price of $9,831 for XRP, despite the fact that it appears to be an ambitious goal, begins to make sense. Give it some thought. XRP is well positioned to become a significant role in the management of global debt transactions, particularly when one considers the absolutely amazing quantities involved. It is estimated that between $1.8 and $1.3 quadrillion could be traveling over the XRP ledger, with the ISDA being the primary driver of this activity. Add to this the participation of the BRICS nations, which includes Saudi Arabia, all of which are incorporating the XRP ledger into their respective systems, as well as the Republic of Palau, which is establishing its central bank digital currency based on the XRP ledger. Because this scenario is a classic example of high volume, high demand, and limited supply, it is reasonable to assume that the value of each XRP currency will continue to surge under these circumstances. So this is a subject that has been generating a lot of buzz as of late. Some people believe that my optimism regarding XRP is nothing more than a daydream. Now, it's possible that they have a point. Nevertheless, I will say this: I am completely committed to embracing this hopium. While I take a deep breath, I am rolling it up into a giant one, lighting it up, and then lighting it up. I'm impressed by how powerful that is. I am a great believer in the power of hope, especially in times when things are difficult and you are clinging on for dear life. It is a lifeline. It is quite acceptable for you to be against hope and believe that it is all just wishful thinking if you do not believe in it. On the other hand, I do not consider that to be a disadvantage. Raise each other up, shall we begin? It is my personal motto. Anything less than that is only going to feel like throwing tokens into a void, and that is not what we are focused on. We are here to maintain a good attitude. And while we're on the subject of optimism, I'm really enjoying the thought-provoking talks and perspectives that you've all shared. Because of this, the gears in the brain start turning. There was a discussion regarding institutions and XRP, which was an intriguing remark. It is not required of them to purchase XRP in any way. The option of leasing is another one. Isn't that an idea that deserves some consideration right now? As a result, an intriguing idea sprang into my head. What outcomes would occur if the only people purchasing XRP were retail investors? I investigated this further and even questioned ChatGPT about the number of transactions that occur on a daily basis in the SWIFT system. The astounding response was more than $7 trillion. Also, keep in mind that this just pertains to international trade. It does not take into account the derivatives market, which comprises quadrillions of dollars, nor does it include smart contracts, non-fungible tokens, or tokenized assets such as real estate. Take into consideration the possibility that XRP may be involved in all of these domains. However, let's limit our discussion to only international trade, which is the sector in which SWIFT operates. If we take that $7 trillion and reduce it to less than half, let's conjecture about what may occur if XRP, with its 1,700 connections, were to be sure, Ripple and XRP have definitely raised the bar in this regard. If we were to deal with only $3 trillion by the day, that would imply that the system must have a total of $3 trillion within it for that particular day. It is possible that the value of XRP might increase to more than $1.50 per token if this scenario plays out. That makes it abundantly evident. The value is probably going to go up. Given the vastness of the XRP network, it is logical to predict that some of these connections will make investments in the cryptocurrency. And to return to what we were talking about earlier, even if institutions decide to lease rather than buy once the system is active, we could see value skyrocketing above $1.50. This is especially true if XRP manages even half of this market. We are talking about much over $1 per token if it includes all of the many types of bank transactions under consideration. Now, take a minute to relax and think about this. perhaps while holding a beverage that is intended for adults. Consider possibilities that this